up, YouTube? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Esynce.
Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me.
Hey y'all. So today we're gonna be going to the grocery store for my new apartment. I've been in here all week, but every day's like it's been either me eating out or getting food from my mom or my sister or one of them situations, you know. So I'm gonna finally go grocery shopping because I want to cook this week. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me. This video is really gonna be a week in my life, living alone. So come along with me. I'll meet y'all at Walmart. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, I got all my hygiene stuff. I'm gonna go to this grocery area and I just know it's gonna be busy over here. It's a lot of people in this Walmart. Yeah, I don't like that. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got so far. I got some, shoes. Hold on. I got some flushable wipes. I got some Dial soap. I got Dove bar soap and witch hazel, soap for the bathroom, and mouthwash. I just needed a little restock on my hygiene. Now I'm gonna go to the grocery area because I need some food in this house. So if I can pick up the camera, I will, but I'm not used to recording in front of a lot of people. Not yet, so bear with me. Y'all, I got all this. And I got me some flowers. Okay, y'all, so I made it back home from Walmart. I'm gonna give y'all a little haul once I get inside, but it's a lot of freaking groceries and I don't have my wagon yet. So with that being said, we gotta see how many times it's gonna take for me to go drop some groceries off and come back, like how many rounds it's gonna take. So I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna let y'all know because this is gonna be funny as fuck. Like hopefully I can only do 3 trips, like 2 of the back groceries and then 1 for the waters. But I don't want to be doing this like it's such a not a long walk, but it's such a long walk. Like 3 times, that's insane. Like the struggles of being just a girl and, you know, not having a wagon. I need to order my wagon. When I get paid, I'm ordering my wagon with my next item for the house. I don't know what it's gonna be, but whatever item I order for the house, I'm ordering a wagon from Amazon as well. Because I will not be doing this again. Hey y'all, so I got my wagon in the mail and I'm gonna unbox it and put it together with y'all. I got this from Amazon. It was only like $25, but with taxes and with the delivery fee, it was like $50. So yeah, but that was still cheaper than all the other ones out there that I've seen. A lot of them was going for like $100, 70 something dollars. But yeah, hopefully it's big. I'm literally just a girl. Oh my God. That took so much work. Yes. I needed this. This. Oh, look, y'all. Yeah, it's deep too. So happy, so happy. It is 7:26. So right now I'm about to get dressed to go to the gym. And I'm gonna go for 30 minutes. I'm not trying to be in there too long since it's my first day back. I don't know. It just really depends on how I feel once I start to get in there and do all the workouts and everything. So yeah, I'm about to get ready and go to the gym, and I'll be right back with y'all once I'm dressed. So see you in a second. Okay, y'all, so I got my gym clothes on. I have on this Nike shirt. Honestly, it came out my mama's closet. I don't know where she got this from. And then I got these Nike tights on. They say Nike on the back of the calf over here. But yeah, y'all, this week we gonna work on getting the rest of the place together because I still have boxes. Like, I've been working and doing me or whatever, not really paying no attention to the place, but I'm tired of looking at these boxes. So we're gonna get this box together and the boxes I got in my room together. We're gonna get all that together this week. I don't know what day, but we gotta get it together this week. But I'm gonna go ahead and head down to the gym, and I'll see y'all there. Yeah, I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me. But I'm gonna see y'all at the gym. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. Man, I'm not gonna even lie, I wasn't in there that long because that gym doesn't have a lot of equipment. My last gym, it had a lot of equipment that I could do arms and legs, and I could work out full body and everything. That one mainly has arms. They have a couple treadmills and whatever, but it's not nothing that I'm used to. So I honestly think that I'm just gonna be doing workout at home workouts, because it's pointless going down there. They don't got nothing unless I'm like going to work out arms or something. But legs, on the other hand, we're gonna have to do at home stuff. So yeah, it's currently 8:10 and I'm about to cook some breakfast. So yeah, I'm still debating on what I want, but I think I'm gonna do a bagel, bacon, and cheese eggs. So yeah, if y'all give me a second, let me take this jacket and stuff off, pull out the groceries, and yeah, we gonna get to cooking. So while I'm waiting on this bacon and go ahead and start cooking or whatever, I'm gonna wash some of these dishes that I have in the sink.
share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you, make me believe that your love is a million. It goes on and
Bon appetit. Okay, y'all, so it's currently almost 9 o'clock. It's 8:58 right now. I just got done eating. I'm currently about to go in there and go to sleep. I'm gonna take a nap until like 12:31, and then I'll be back up. I'll edit and do some stuff. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but I'm tired, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in there and take a quick nap. So I'll see y'all when I get up. Y'all, it's 5:30. See, this is the problem. When I come home and I go to sleep, I set my alarm and I still overslept. Like, but the only reason I don't be worried about that crap is because I still have time to be productive if I wake up around this time. So it's 5:30. I don't gotta be to work until 11. So I leave my house at 10, meaning I have from 5:30 to 9:30, 4 hours to chill, do me, and get some stuff done. So today, up on the agenda, I have to start editing this video that I have to post later on this week. It's gonna be part 2 to my moving series. So if y'all here and y'all haven't watched my moving series, go watch my moving series, okay? But I did want to give y'all a little update on what time I got up. Okay, y'all, so I currently just fixed me a little turkey sandwich, and I'm about to edit. I also took out me some pork chops so I could bake some pork chops, mashed potato, cook some mashed potatoes, asparagus for dinner tonight. So my pork chops is over there defrosting, and I'm gonna sit back, watch SWAT, eat the sandwich, then turn off SWAT and edit. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to cook. Pork chops, mashed potatoes, and asparagus. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean these pork chops. So let's get to it.
Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything
Okay, so while the oven is still preheating, I'm gonna go ahead and get these mashed potatoes together. This is my first time cooking these. And it say I need 4 cups of water, but I'm only gonna do half the pack, I think. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do half the pack. So I'm gonna do 2 cups of water and then say let that boil and then immediately add the entire pouch of potatoes, mix, and then let it stand. So yeah, I don't know what made me grab these in the stove, but that's what I got. So we're gonna go ahead and put this water on the stove. And yeah. I'm gonna add some butter and some salt to that water.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want standard, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, I'm one with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I'm one with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and peace, why can't losers never lose in peace, ain't nobody around me losing sleep, better find God before he find me, tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, high and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside.
Okay, y'all, so I just washed the rest of the dishes that I had in there from earlier and cleaned off the countertop. My mashed potatoes done. My asparagus done. I'm still waiting on my pork chops. I wish I would have had some freaking onions and bell pepper, but I didn't have it, so I had to make do what it do. But next time I pull them out, I'm gonna put the barbecue sauce on top and then let it cook for like an extra 15 minutes. Which I think in about like a couple of minutes I'm gonna be doing that. So yeah, kitchen clean, dinner is damn near done, and then I'm really about to go back over there and finish editing until it's time for me to get up and take a shower and get dressed for work. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what the food look like when I'm done. But other than that, I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip. Okay.
Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in it.
Oh shit, that's hot. Okay, this is dinner. Looks so good. I got a package to go to work because I'm not gonna eat right now, but yeah, it looks good. Alright, so I know I didn't come back to y'all yesterday. After I got done cooking, but I was just chilling, watching TV, and then I took a shower and got ready for work. It's currently 7:20 and I'm off work and I'm tired. I'm tired as hell, actually. Today is gonna be a very lazy day. I can already feel it. You can already see it. I'm a little irritated because this motherfucking car don't never want me to be great. Ever. 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 The car just never want me to be great. Like, ever. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Like I said, I ain't finna do nothing but chill out. I don't got nothing planned. I done did a lot of editing yesterday. I don't even gotta edit today if I don't want to. I'll probably end up doing that later, but like I said, in this exact moment, Esynce is saying, I don't give a fuck. Toodaloo. Y'all, it is 10:50 and my mama just bought this table and my TV. Now that that's here, y'all see how it's like just anywhere. I'm gonna leave it right the fuck there because I'm finna go back to sleep. Toodaloo. All right, y'all, don't mind how I look. Oh my God, please don't mind how I look. But I'm on my phone because I forgot my camera at the house. But I am currently on the way to my mom's house so that his man can take a look at my car and fix my car. And hopefully he gets it together. Because when I tell you, I'm so sick of this car. I think everybody around me is so sick of this car because it's always something. It can never let me be great. Okay? So, I don't know if y'all can hear that. I'm not sure if y'all can hear that, but that's the fan of my car. And it's just loud and it sounds like it's working overtime to cool down my car. So once we get over there to him, have him fix my car, then I'm coming back home and getting back in my bed. Cause I've been in my bed all day, y'all. I don't know if y'all knew if I was playing or not, but I was dead ass serious when I said I didn't feel like doing shit today because of this goddamn car. Every time my car is down, I get an attitude because what's the reason? What's the reason? But I'm finna go ahead and go to my mama's house and I'll talk to y'all when I get there. All right, so I made it to my mama's house and I've been sitting over here for like an hour almost, possibly an hour, a whole hour, and like I've been waiting for the car to cool down or whatever. But he didn't bring his ass. He didn't bring his ass so I can go back home. I ain't gonna do nothing when I get home, but I just wanna go home. Mama just gave me some food. So I got chicken and noodles for tonight. And yeah, I'm not doing nothing. I just want to update y'all. Y'all, it took forever with my car. Literally forever. It's 10:19. So I gotta be walking right back out the door in 10 minutes. I'm so glad that I was able to make it home and actually get ready for work. But I'm finna get dressed. I'm finna go because I gotta go to work. But I will talk to y'all in the AM. Hey y'all. I'm home. It's currently 7:36. I'm home. I don't think I'm finna eat nothing right now because I'm not hungry. I'm finna sit here and edit this video. I just want to thank y'all so much for all the love on the first part of the moving series. So far I've gained like 10 plus subscribers from that one video alone. So I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all joined the family and I love that. I love that. I love y'all. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and edit this second part of this series. Yeah, I don't have nothing else to do this morning. Y'all see I got a lot of energy compared to other days coming home. I have a lot of energy. I don't know why. Because I've been up since 5 something yesterday. So I don't know why I got so much energy. But when it's time for me to crash, y'all know. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and edit the rest of some more of this video. And I'm debating if I want to put up my table myself or if I'm gonna let my brother come do it and be the man that he is, you know? Cause I'm just a girl. But I'm ready for my table to go up. Like it's been sitting in my mama's house for 2 weeks and I got it crap now. So it's just like, should I go ahead and put it up or should I wait on my brother? So I'm gonna wait till a little bit later, text my brother, see if he's still gonna come or not. And if he don't come by tomorrow morning, then I'm gonna put it up tomorrow morning when I get off work. If I got energy. If not, it'll get done tomorrow, just not tomorrow morning. Make sense? Yeah. If he say he's not gonna come and do it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into editing. I don't got nothing to talk about for real. Yeah. Thank y'all for the love. I love y'all. Continue watching. Continue supporting. Get active with me. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm very active on my Instagram mainly. So if y'all got any questions, y'all want to text me, y'all want to talk to me, you know, I'm very open to conversation. So yeah, if y'all want to reach out to me about like, you know, new topics and different ideas and stuff like that for what y'all want to see on my channel, my Instagram is always open. It's esy.nte. Y'all can also look up The Real Esynce in the search engine as well, because my page will pop up. But yeah, I love y'all.